Hello everyone, so I'm gonna be reacting to another of my videos, so let's go. So yeah. So yeah guys. Here, let me find the video.
We have some hot sauce, cheese.
It was so hard to make this video. Can I say something? It was so hard to make this video because that was our first video on YouTube, and that was like I had like a lot of energy, so I was like telling about all of the ingredients how to make our buffalo chicken dip. So alright, let's keep going.
So now I'm going to season it with this chicken powder.
That was my dad in the background. I didn't know what to say because I didn't want the pepper or the garlic powder to get on the camera.
Now we're putting the chicken into the pan.
I didn't want to touch it, but they did it.
Okay, so I'll put that in.
So we both put chicken. Now it's on the pan,
In this cookie.
and now it's boiling. We have a surprise guest.
Mommy Taj.
That's my stepmom.
Shredding.
It was hard. I need to say another thing. It was so hard to shred that chicken when I shredded it. It was like so hard. My fingers was hurting. Like it took like a long time to get that to the it was so hard to shred that chicken.
And it looks so good. Yeah.
It looks amazing.
It smells, guys. I wish you guys were here. Like, smell it. It was like,
Oh my gosh, this
it's gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna be like, nom 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 nom. Don't y'all see that action? That looks good. Now I'm shredding this. Now I'm gonna shred.
shredding the
Make me hungry.
I was so greedy. I was so greedy, like really.
Look, I got something in my pocket.
Alright, let me see.
Oh,
because I got stuff on my face. Still like
comment below.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Okay, that's it.
Oh yeah, thank you for reminding me. But can y'all comment below? Can y'all comment below if y'all like buffalo chicken dip or not?
Chuck is gonna be cheesy.
Oh my gosh, guys, this looks so good. It's good.
I want spatula here to eat this with us. Read all about it.
Now we gotta let it cook for
I just
20
love the
minutes.
smell of this. Where's the taste? Now I'm putting the top on the top, and then she's gonna. Now the buffalo chicken that is gonna cook for 20 minutes. It might not be that long.
The dip is done.
It looks so good. Wait. It looks really good though.
I like it because it's nice and cheesy. Because
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Bye.